Got this steering wheel here, International. Going to be changing. It's worn out, as you can see. Still works. It's just worn out. So this cover here just pops off. Take this wire out. Once you get that, that's the horn. You got a new horn. Take this bolt off. I'm gonna get the size on that. These bolts help. These help you to extract it out. So I'm gonna get some nuts that match that, and we're gonna disconnect this. Disconnect this. So we'll be right back. So it's an 1.25 inch socket. Get that nut off. These are my new parts down there. So get that off. Sometimes it might come off, but I got my nut here. I only found one. Let's see what this does. Probably lift up even, probably not even that long. Yeah, it's not that long. So I gotta get a longer bolt to go all the way down there to get down to the little plate behind the steering wheel. Clock spring for that. Because these right here are like timed in a way. You gotta like set the front wheel straight ahead before installing this and all that kind of stuff. So yeah. So it's just these three 20 bits, Torx bits to get it off. One right here, one right here, one right there. Now this is a video about the steering wheel and the clock spring replacement. So it pretty much just slides out like this. Oh yeah, you just wanna also disconnect it over here too. So I'm gonna I'm really trying not to take. Alright, so future references, be really gentle so you don't be like me and break your clock spring. It's the clock spring, so they got one coming right now. And then put it on there. Alright. Click. Get the screws. Screw it back in here. Alright, so here's the part number for that. Alright, so now we can get back to our steering wheel. Alright, here's the new one. And get my nut in the middle here. Got the torque measurements, so I torque it afterwards, but pretty much let me make sure I'm doing this straight. make sure it's nice and flush on there. Gonna connect this back here. Hard to do it with one hand. Alright, so horn contacts right here. The gray wire, it's going to be a little bit different. So gray wire goes, and it's just going to be an extra wire. So, you know, your horn works like that. So, I'm able to put it back. Horn's going to beep a couple times because the contact's magnetic. Push it out. Button, engine brake on, that's your marker, that, and then you have that, and then you have your, you know, cruise on, you know, off, so everything works, and that's that. Drive this on out of here. Find somewhere to park the truck. Myself how to drive manuals. Nobody ever taught me. No school, no nothing. Just hopping in the truck and practicing is all I pretty much been, how I learned how to do how to drive manuals. I do want further training, so that's something that I'm going to get into. I'm going to definitely get that going very soon in terms of getting my CDL. So let's go ahead. I can drive trailers as well. Still practicing on docking, but I get it all the time. Get there. Right. That's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Go back on like that. Look at that. Things change like that. Put that thing on your head.